Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show how to access your local PC website to your friend in the USA or Europe. They can access easily without any public websites or doing any domain things, DNS routes, nothing. Just a simple trick to access your local PC website to your friend in the different country or different region or different state. Let's get started. First, go to the Ngrok website. Click on this ngrok.com. Actually, this is not a paid or something sponsored video. Just this is for the educational purpose I did. If you are first user in this website, you have to set up here, sign up your account. I have already an account in the Ngrok, so I'm just going to sign in here. Once you just sign in, you can see on the welcome screen there is bunch of installation steps over here. If you are using Windows, you can go with here. They have all the custom setup commands. So right now I am using the Linux. The Linux they given a commands to execute their Nginx setup. So first I have to verify this link, Ngrok link, in my source repository. Just go and paste it, hit enter. Actually my internet speed is little bit slow, so just pause the video. Yeah, my Nginx is installed in my PC. Once you install Ngrok, sorry, not Nginx, my bad, that is Ngrok, sorry. And here you can see the token Ngrok configure add auth token, and this is the key. This token I will delete in the future. Just paste it here. Enter it. You can see the token is saved in the configuration file. What I will do now, they given a command here. You can see this one. If you are using the Tomcat or different port, you can use this one. So right now I have my custom only HTTPA. Yeah, once you're done, you can see they will given a forwarding link, this one. Just copy it, right click and copy. Come back to your browser. This is my local PC web link. You can see the localhost IP. Now I am going to paste that link in the URL. Just hit enter. Here you can see the visit site. Yeah, can access from the internet. I will show you in the mobile. Create QR code. Yeah. Can you see the screen? Click on the visit site. Like this, you can access, you can see here on the top, the URL is the Ngrok forwarding URL, and you can see this is a simple video to host your local website to the public world. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, like and subscribe the channel. Once again, thanks for watching the video.